Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a Nansen head waitlist. Yeah, they actually raised $75 million for this airdrop, guys. I'm not capping, I'm real. Like, they actually did airdrop around 2021. You can actually go and verify. People actually cashed out from me. So all you'll be needing is your email. It's just like an Akim airdrop. Like, if you missed Akim airdrop, don't miss this very one now. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time of seeing my video, in this channel we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency, guys. So let's just get straight. You're going to click, after inputting your email, you're going to click here. You are not a robot. Then you click on join waitlist. Do you understand? They will send you a mail. Then from your that mail that they will send you, are going to click on it to get your account verified. Do you understand that? So after inputting your mail and confirm that you are not a robot, then you click join waitlist. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Do you understand? So when you click join waitlist, this interface is going to pop up. You see, please check your email for confirmation. We have sent an email to your email. Yeah, please verify your email address to get your unique referral link. If you do not see it in your inbox, kindly check your spam folder. So guys, if you didn't receive your email, you come back. If you didn't receive any email, you come back here and click refresh page. Do you understand? So that you verify your mail and also get your referral link and then share to your friends. If you miss Akim airdrop, don't miss this very one, guys. Please subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. Guys, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. So here is my email. They have sent me a mail. They say verify email address to early access waitlist program. So guys, so I'm going to click on verify and this. So once you verify that caption and click on waitlist, it's going to take you to that interface. Then they will say check your mail. They sent you a mail. Now I'm going to click on verify. You understand? I'm going to click on verify now. So guys, once you click on verify, that this interface will now pop up. You will see your email has been verified successfully. You are on the wait list. Don't leave your failure explorer behind. Refer your friends to move up. Do you understand? So here is where to copy your referral link. You need to get your mail verified before you can copy your referral link. So this is my referral link. So I'm going to drop my referral link now under the comment section of this video. Do you understand? They actually raised $75 million, if I'm not mistaken, guys. Being serious about this. Do you understand? So don't sleep on this, guys. Hurry up. So that will be all for now. Thanks for watching. See you soon.